Well, this is Moana beach park, and I'm going to check it out a little bit. What a beautiful day. The weather is just perfect here right now. It's warm, nice, no wind, no waves, no nothing. Low tide, pretty nice. I'm not sure how high the water will go, but definitely up here, I guess. And you can see, I'm not sure if it's a downtown area in the background, or at least the beginning of downtown. It's just a perfect spot for a nice day, for actually doing nothing, just hang out there. It's nice. I don't want to do anything, I just want to be here. All right, so let's just see what's happening over here. Let's follow the beach a little bit. It's definitely a popular spot for all these newly married people to take some, you know, romantic wedding pictures, I guess. And the guys who sit in that lifeguard tower, they pretty much have the best job on the planet. Okay, so they are dressed up, very nice. Okay, I think most of these people, they come from Japan, and you can see, you know, 20 couples a day. It's kind of crowded sometimes, and it's a smart thing to sit under an, you know, umbrella, I guess, because you will be toasted in like 20 minutes. Even though it's not summer, it's just winter, and it's still just super nice. Especially today, there is no rain, no nothing. It's just perfect day to be outside. I was out in the water here a little bit earlier, and I saw a turtle, sea turtle, and that was kind of nice. I almost ran into him. Most of the tourists, they are probably in by Waikiki, but you find them here too, but it's more quiet. Not too crazy. And just across the street is a big mall. But I never understood how you can go to Hawaii and do all that shopping, you know, it's crazy. Well, here's the guy with the job. Can I have your job?
Sorry, what's that?
Can I have your job?
Yeah, sure.
We change. You take my job, I take yours, right? You'll be inside, I'll be outside.
What do you do?
Computers.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Oh, I know. Have a nice day.
You do.
Alright, so I have to climb this wall here. Wow, okay. I follow the wall a little bit. Can be fun. So I'm going back to the parking lot to find my car. I actually have a meeting to attend, so I need to get back. Well, you get the picture, how it looks like. It's just the best place. I guess. But there are other places with less people. This is just one example, because this is so in the middle of nothing, you know. See, on the other side, by the tall buildings, you actually see the little harbor for, you know, small boats, canoes, outrigger canoes, all that stuff, sailboats, and they have some kind of private club right there, I think. Let's just quickly check it out. There is a guy, I think he's fishing right now. It's a nice place, and the canoe club is right across the street. Yeah, the guy fishing. All right, time to leave.